Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Today we will discuss about comprehension and here are some rules. First of all, you will understand these rules and according to them you will solve your comprehension. The first step is first read paragraph twice or thrice until full understanding. It means you will read your paragraph or your passage or your comprehension again and again until you will well aware from these lines or these paragraphs. Write the meaning of difficult words or keywords, then get involved with the paragraph to understand it. You will completely understand it and you will completely comprehend it. Then underline important lines or parts of the passage to answer these questions. All the important lines and all the relative or related answers, you will underline them for your comprehend study and for your to solve the comprehension. Then try to translate a complex line in an easy one in your own words and your own language. Determine the main idea or the central context or the central idea or the conclusion we can conclude from it, or we can say as the main idea is related to the thing which is going to discuss in this passage. At the end, read the questions and all the alternative provided and choose the most appropriate one. You will read all the questions and then you will choose all the answers of them, and at the end you will revise these all questions. Hope you will understand. These were the rules to solve the comprehension, and according to these rules you can solve any kind of or any type of comprehension. Now here is one example of the comprehension. Here is the passage. Once a stag was drinking at a stream. Stream is a pond, or we can say as or flowing water. He happened to see his reflection in the water. Here the meaning of reflection is his shadow. You can say as he happened to see his reflection or he happened to see his shadow in the water, as you can see here. He was pleased. It means he was glad to see his beautiful horns. But when he saw his thin legs, he felt sad as he thought they were ugly or bad. Suddenly, he saw a pack of hounds at a distance. He ran as fast as his legs could help him. Soon he left the hounds far behind. He had to pass through a thick forest of bushes. His horns were caught up in a bush. He tried hard to pull his horns out of it, but all in vain. All in vain here, meaning of all in vain is useless or waste. But now the horns had come up. They fell upon him and tore him to pieces. Hope you will understand. We will read it again. Once a stag was drinking at a stream. Where he was drinking? Here you will underline this line. Where he was drinking at a stream. He happened to see his reflection in the water. What had happened? He happened to see his reflection in the water. You will underline this line also. He was pleased to see his beautiful horns. Why he pleased? He was pleased to see his beautiful horns. But when he saw his thin legs, he felt sad. Why he became sad? He became sad to see his thin legs. Suddenly he saw a pack of horns at a distance. What he saw? He saw a pack of horns at a distance. He ran as fast as his legs could help him. Soon he left the horns far behind. He had to pass through a thick forest of bushes. From where he passed through a thick forest of bushes. His horns were caught up in a bush. He tried hard to pull his horns out of it, but all in vain. But now the horns had come up. They fell upon him and tore him to pieces. Hope you will understand and underline all the important lines, related questions down. We will solve these questions or exercise. What was the stag doing? The stag was drinking water. What did he see in the water? He saw his reflection. Why was he pleased? He was pleased to see his beautiful horse. What made him sad? His thin legs made him sad. Why did he run? He ran for his life. How did his legs help him? His legs helped him to run fast. Hope you will understand. According to the rules, you will solve your comprehension. So first of all, you will learn, or you will understand, or you will comprehend all these rules to solve a comprehension, and then can you sort out any kind of comprehension else is or included to this. Hope you will understand. Take care. See you next time.